In this video we will install CS600 Intrusion control panel, designed and manufactured by Notifier Italia, according to European standards. CS600 features allow Notifier Euronet system integration, access control management and remote supervision through software. Install the wall-mounted control panel using the equipped kit and the drilling template available on the manual. During the installation procedure, pay attention to not flex the pre-wired cards and to the possible iron filings created after the drilling. During this operation, you have to make the holes for the box mounting, for the tamper, for the power supply and for the communication line cables. Screw the bracket with the tamper already prepared. Connect the two fasten jacks to terminal on the tamper. Insert the end of the cable into JP7 terminal corresponding to serigraphy on the board. To connect line 1, use certified for conductors RS485 cable. During the connection, leave the cable longer for further wiring adjustments. Now, take the line terminal. Connect cables in correspondence to the serigraphy and insert the terminal in its own position. In case you need to connect additional lines, you first have to install L485 expansion module in correspondence to the selected line. The wiring will be carried out as per line 1. For control panel connection to power supply, use the 30-volt flexible cable with 0.75 mm minimum section. Connect the ground cable to the transformer base. Then connect phase and neutral wires according to the serigraphy. Connect the battery with JP14 terminal pre-wired cable. For this control panel, you can use 7 or 18 Ah batteries. Verify recharge timing according to the standards. Before turning the control panel on, check that the jumper of line 1 and other lines, if any, is inserted. Check RAM jumper status and P2 jumper that must never be removed. After a fast checkup, you can power the control panel on. If power supply is not present on the field, it is possible to start up the panel in temporary mode with the batteries. This procedure is reported in the control panel manual. Once the control panel is started up, insert the box and tighten the related screws.